most rewarding feeling is when I see that somebody is happier.
For your hard work, we give you the recognition here.
I'm in the right moment, with the right people, with the right company, in the right place.
Take as many people from your team there.
Making more people financially independent than anybody else ever has done before.
Who found the love in their life in a network marketing company?
Work together, help the people to become better.
Сегодня здесь собрались люди со всего мира.
This is the day that you can learn from the best.
So who wants to change their life?
3-day convention with trainings for the people, with news for the people.
Unbelievable, but we do believe in it.
It's all about you.
This feeling, this burning desire because you want to change your life.